The National Weather Alert has issued a tropical storm warning for the following parishes: St. Tammany, Orleans, and Jefferson Parish. We are telling you ahead of time to get out of harm's way. We are not sending the buses out to get your stupid asses this time. You need to try to gather up all 12 of your kids and get the fuck out of your FEMA trailer that you have been living in for the last 6 years. Again, the National Weather Alert System has issued a tropical storm warning and a tornado warning. Let me put it in terms you might understand. Get the fuck out. Run, bitch. Run. Thank you.